Hello students, I am here to make you learn about distance and displacement. It's a very simple thing. Let me take an example of one of my sisters who is fat. Now, how do you experience what distance is? So let's say that she's going to get married this year later, and she has been advised to lose some weight. So she just decides to go for a walk daily 10 kilometers, right? Now when she was being advised to take the walk, she was not given any instruction to go in a specific direction. She was like, okay, the doctor was like, okay, leave the home, go in any direction, walk for 10 kilometers. You have your smartwatch, just count when 10 kilometers are done and get back into home. It doesn't matter if she just gets out of her home and start revolving there for 10 kilometer and get back into. There is no fixed path for her to follow to cover 10 kilometers, right? So basically distance can be understood as a scalar quantity because it does not require any particular direction to be followed. It's a scalar quantity in which we are covering a particular let's say number of steps. So number of steps taken gives us what distance is. Now number of steps, you can clearly say no, it's not standard and all these things. So let's say that the number of meters covered, that's a distance. We have defined 1 meter of a length of 1 meter. When we cover that 1 meter of length several times, it gives us the distance. And since it has no particular direction to be followed, it's a scalar quantity and the unit is meter. Okay, right? Now talking about displacement, her wedding is about to be there, so she decides to go for a makeup, right? So she has to take a particular path in order to reach the salon if the distance is budget. Like let's say that her scooty doesn't have enough petrol to go more than 10 kilometers, so she can't just take random routes because she has a budget of 10 kilometers. She has to take a particular path of 10 kilometers to reach makeup salon. If she starts moving like this, 10 kilometers wouldn't reach. Like this, 10 kilometers wouldn't reach. This in any other direction, if she moves 10 kilometers, she is not going to reach the makeup salon. So this is the only path she can take. So when we are trying to go from point A to point B in the minimum distance possible, that's the keyword, we have to take only one specific path, and hence it has a particular direction. If you go in any other direction than B, you are not going to make it to B, right? Any other direction, if you are covering the exact same distance, you wouldn't reach point B. Hence it is, since we have a budget constraint of distance and we have to reach a specific point, we have to take only one particular path. Hence it depends very much on the direction. So direction is important, which makes it a vector quantity. Since it's also a distance covered, as I said, that it's the minimum distance between point A and point B, the unit for displacement is also meter. So I hope that made it much clear for you, the difference between displacement and distance. See you in the next one.